Alright, hi guys, welcome back to PKFX YouTube trading channel. So this will be a quick video to update about two particular trades that I've entered, which is AUDCHF and GBPCAD, both for a long position. So I'll quickly start off with AUDCHF. So AUDCHF, this particular trade, as we can see, has been rallying towards the upside. And then the last few days to weeks, I've been trying to short the market. However, I took 3 back-to-back losses over here, trying to short the market because the market was pretty much ranging in this area, giving the signals that it's gonna dump towards the downside. But end of the day, the market pretty much broke above this particular box, this particular area of interest, rallied all the way up, tried breaking this, had a strong push towards the downside. The daily EMA came as a support as well, and then it started pushing towards the upside, and now my expectation is for the market to continue to push towards the upside. So the weekly is a buy, daily is a buy, and even the 4-hour is technically a buy. Right now I'm waiting for the candle to close, the next 4-hour candle, and if it does, it is probably a continuation towards the buy side. I gotta understand that this particular trade, probably I'm asking too much, because one, I'm trading from pretty much at the highest point over here. As you can see, the last 3 weeks market has been pretty much ranging over here. I am expecting the market to push towards the upside. Obviously I'm biased because I see the trend is going towards the upside, and I'm aiming for the next particular area of interest, and I see a potential 1 to 4 risk to reward over here. So this is probably too much to ask within a single week for a single weekly candle to print all the way up here. I don't know if the TP will be hit, but looking at the charts, the next particular resistance point, if at all it breaks above here, is coming up all the way up here in this box. So I'm gonna aim for that, and that particular zone is where, as you can see, the next structure points are aligning. So that is where the next resistance zone is coming in. So for a potential 1 to 4, I don't know if this trade is going to play out well, but the way I've placed my stop loss, I placed 24 pips over here, which is way below the area of interest, this box over here, way below the 4-hour higher low, and also the 4-hour EMA as well. Because if at all the market were to reverse on me and this zone, this box doesn't hold and it breaks below this 4-hour higher low, right, it is literally shifting and creating a new lower low, hence shifting the 4-hour itself into a sell direction. And if that happens, most probably, if the 4-hour is pretty much shifting, then I expect a continuation towards the downside, and in that case I'm completely wrong. So I'm okay to take that loss if I'm going to be completely wrong. What I don't want it to do is to wick me out and then move to the positive direction as per my trade into the buy direction, right? So yeah, that is the trade that I've entered, AUDCHF, for a potential buy. And the next trade is GBPCAD. GBPCAD, this trade as well, the weekly and daily bias is pretty much a buy. If I go to the weekly, this is the higher high and this is the higher low. Market made the pullback, and I see that the market right now is testing this particular structure points over here that I created, this box over here as a zone. And actually the market came back down and rejected beautifully, came back again to retest, and I'm expecting another rejection as well. Because right now the way I see it is, if the market is pretty much testing from below, it rejects below. Testing from below, rejects below. Testing from below, rejects below. Testing from below, rejects from below, right? But over here, it has already broken to the upside. So testing from above, rejection to above. Testing from above, I'm expecting the same rejection from above. So weekly bias is a buy. Daily bias as well is pretty much a buy. This still being the higher high, this still being a higher low, and we can see that the market has already tested this structure points over here through this structure points, right, and it bounced above and now coming back to retest, and this daily EMA is holding in as well as a support. plus together I have the round psychological number of 1.88000. So I see this as a potential entry. If I go down to the 4-hour candlesticks, well, to be fair, the 4-hour is technically a sell. The 2-hour is also technically a sell, right? The 2-hour is also technically a sell. This was the 2-hour engulfing candlestick that printed out, which was my confirmation to enter. Right now, as I'm making this video, that particular engulfing candlestick has been, going through the next sell engulfing candlestick, and if this closes below, then I'm probably going to get rejected, and probably the stop loss is going to be hit. Another catch here is to get a good 1 to 2.5 risk to reward. I've placed my stop loss in anticipation inside this particular box, inside this zone. Ideally, you want to make your stop loss below this zone, but if I do that, I don't get a good 1 to 2 risk to reward. What I did is I decided to go about with 1 to 2.5, and the reasoning behind that is if I go to the daily candlestick, I can see that the daily actually has already closed above here, and today's daily candle is printing as a rejection candle from this point, right? So if it's rejecting from this candle, and if it manages to hold this candle, thereafter I'm expecting the following up candles to continue to print towards the upside, and hence this would be a sufficient stop loss. Can the stop loss be hit and then the market goes to my direction? Yeah, most definitely, right? It could easily hit me over here and then continue to rally upwards as well. But I'm betting based on this daily EMA to hold, and this as acting as some sort of a curvature here. And if I go to the 4-hour, right, I'm actually hoping that this particular 4-hour EMA will be broken and the market to rally towards the upside. These are my expectations, not necessarily what the market has to do. But ever since the market opened, since the Asian session, the London session, and now the New York session, I do not see the market pushing me down yet. So I'm counting on the market to continue to break out towards the upside, and let's see how the market goes. Both of this trade is pretty much a pro trend trade. Weekly, daily buyers buy, so I'm going for a buy. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the 2 trades that I've taken so far, and if everything goes well, I'll try to hold this trade until end of the week. So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for your time, and have a good day. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.